What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a different video, which is I am going to unbox a phone. Before going to that, if you are new to my channel, then without wasting the time, press the subscribe button and the bell button for getting the updates of my channel. And this video is going to be very interesting, so without skipping, see the video until end and then let's start. In this video we are going to unbox a phone which is TECHNO SPARK 5 Pro. We can unbox it. You can see this phone. This is before this we can see what are the things are there. You can see this. It has a normal USB and a charger head. A normal charger, you can see a super Zen charger and a pin, that SIM slot pin here, and there is the manual, etc. Won't wait. And at last it has a back cover. Wow, super cool back cover. You can see differently designed. See this. Now we can go for phone. We can remove this back cover. You can see a orange color phone. Now we can on it. TECHNO. This is with 5000 mAh battery and this is with 16 megapixel quad camera, 4 cameras and a fingerprint. And it has a full display with 6.6 inch display and a single camera at the side of selfie. You can see the phone has opened. Now we can unlock that. You can see a cool. This is mainly for gaming purpose and this is launched for gaming because most games are now trending, so this is mainly for gaming. A superb sound. You can see a single speaker and a charger pin. In downside there is a charger pin and headphone pin. At the side it's a SIM slot and there is no anything on the top. And on this side you can see 3 buttons: power button and volume button. You can see this super phone and I got a gift. Wait, we can put this. You can see. You can see superb. Now I have got a gift with this phone, Spark 5 Pro, which is the Bluetooth speaker worth with 1300. Now which the Bluetooth is this Now we can unbox this also. So very interesting. You can see this Techno. This is the Techno company Square S1 Bluetooth. Enjoy living in Bluetooth. And a normal USB in that. Now we can open the Bluetooth. Can see a small Bluetooth, but the base is super. You can see 4 buttons: play button, previous, next, and stop button. And here back is on off button.
The
On off.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And a USB and TF cord, all the options are here. This is with high bass quality. Superb. If you want to buy a Bluetooth, this will be very nice because it has a high bass and very high sound. Now that's all for today, guys. We can meet in next video. Up to that, be waiting.
Yeah.